The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A shepherd boy took his sheep to graze every day. He did not have much to do while the sheep grazed. One day he decided to have some fun. "Wolf! Wolf!" he shouted loudly. Some villagers were working in the field nearby. They left all their work and rushed to drive away the wolf. The boy laughed at them and said he had fooled them. He liked this trick very much. He played it once, twice, again and again. The villagers were angry. "He's a liar," they said. One day, a hungry wolf really came up to eat up a sheep. The boy shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! There's a wolf!" But no one believed him. No one came to his help. The wolf took away a sheep and left the boy crying.